I'm eating raw liver, so you don't have to. Let's see what happens. I added some lemon, but it kind of takes away the flavor. It tastes good. Honestly, it tastes good just like that. Bro.